Have you ever stayed awake at night, staring at the ceiling, asking yourself, why am I so weak? Why can't I be strong like them? If you have, know this. That very question is the first spark of your strength. The truth is, nobody is born fearless. Nobody wakes up brave. Courage is built, piece by piece, every time you break and stand up again. Your weakness is not your ending. It's your beginning. Look at a baby trying to walk. It falls, it cries, but it gets up again. It doesn't hide its weakness. It doesn't feel ashamed. It learns from it. So why should it be any different for you? Instead of hiding what breaks you, own it. Sit down. Write it out. Here I am weak. Here I begin. Just this simple act, accepting your weakness, is your first act of real courage. Next, remember this. You don't become strong by winning big battles overnight. You grow by winning small fights that nobody sees. Wake up when your bed begs you to stay. Drink a glass of cold water when your mind screams for comfort. Take a 2-minute cold shower. Sit quietly for 5 minutes with your own thoughts. No phone, no noise. These tiny victories are seeds. Each one whispers to your mind, yes, you can. And this whisper will become your roar one day. And fear? Let's talk about fear. Fear is not your enemy. It's your oldest friend trying to protect you. But sometimes that friend holds you back too tight. So talk to your fear. Ask it, what are you really trying to save me from? When you fear speaking up, it's because you crave acceptance. When you fear failure, it's because you want your dreams so badly. See how beautiful that is? The worst thing that can happen is you fail. And what then? You stand back up. That's how you tame fear. You collect proof that you can survive it. Remember this too. Real strength often comes from someone else's smile. Your family, your child, your partner, maybe even your younger self. When you want to quit, think of them. Imagine someone secretly watching you fight your battles, drawing courage from you. Maybe you don't know it yet, but your courage could be the reason someone else decides not to give up tomorrow. And finally, never forget, this life is a single shot. No one else will hand you courage on a golden plate. Your strength won't arrive magically at your door. You must build it with your own bare hands. Every time you fall and stand up again, you are forging it. Every scar becomes a story that whispers, I survived. I am still here. So tonight, if you feel broken, pick up your broken pieces. Stack them like bricks. Build not a wall, but a bridge. A bridge that leads you back to yourself, stronger than ever. You can do this. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but you will, if only you start now.